Hello from North Germany. My name is Jens Conradi. I'm the area sales manager for this region, and today I present you the new tanker generation 2020 from BSA. We have some updates and cool options that I want to show you. So what's new at the loading arm? The loading arm is working with a swivel directly at the tanker, and you can switch it to the left or to the right side. In this case we have a second swivel at this place here to be able to switch the angle into the docking station. And now the valve is mounted here in the front. Before it was mounted underneath the tanker, so we don't leave any drops of slurry on the road. In this case we have a docking station. Without a valve, you can also get it with an automatic valve system to close it from the tractor. I can switch the angle to the hose, and then I can dump it directly into the basement or into the tank. The automatic greasing system fills up more than 80 greasing points here on the tanker. The drawbar is a little bit smaller, and we can mount it in 3 different levels depending on how high the tractor is. Here is the hydraulic suspension, and here in the front we can add an automatic steering system. Look at the photo. You can mount it with a K50 on the left or right side. We use the 2-chamber system. That means the tanker fills up both chambers at the same, and when we empty first in the rear and then in the front. So we have the most of the weight, the longest time on the rear axle of the tractor. Here we have mounted the 32 inches tires from Friedestein. The standard version is 30.5 inches. And the tanker generation 2020 always has these wheel houses to keep the whole height of the tanker lower for better stability on the road. Profiline means at BSA that we always have a 3-point or 4-point linkage in the rear of the tanker. We are able to mount different kinds of applications up to 8 tons. This is a new trailing shoe from Vogelsang, Blackbird 15 meter. The 15 meter works with 2 wheels on each side, and here we have the ECQ cutter system. The ECQ cutter makes it easier to remove the cutting system from inside through this big service door. That's much more easier than previous systems. The hydraulic system is in floating control during the work, and here we have also the option to mount a spreader behind the distributor. Then we have section control left, right, and the weight of each shoe is about 8 to 10 kilogram. We have 40 millimeters pipes, and at each end of the Blackbird we have 1,50 meter. With a share bolt it can release back if you hit an obstacle. The pressure pipe after the pump comes out here on top of the tanker. The standard system is with one three-way valve. We also have the option for a second three-way valve with a flow meter or an automatic application system. If you want to have a look inside, you can do it. And we also have the option to change this door into a hydraulic door for external filling. The hydraulic and electrical unit is now here on the right side of the tanker. Previous systems were on the front. We have a better access for service and maintenance, and in the electronic we also can put in a diagnostic tool. The tractor has an automatic steering system. We are able to find out where we have been with the last tanker, where we became empty, and where we have to go with the next tanker, so it's very easy. You can leave your hands from the steering wheel and everything goes from alone. He's figuring out the next lane and he's going there from alone. Oh. The tractor speeds up from alone to 13 kilometers an hour and he's searching for the next lane, which is about 15 meters for the Vogelsang Blackbird.